Here we are on our cattle drive, getting ready. The horses. There's Erwin wave. He's getting ready to gear in that cattle. We're at Sula Ranch.
I always get rather than we got them at the same time, and they're like buddies.
He likes jumping. He likes jumping.
He'll walk through. But he may. I mean, you'll never know, but he normally walks through.
Here we are, rounding them up.
Perfect, guys. Well, I'm going to shut this gate. I'm going to get a couple pictures of you guys. Got all these cows in the background. Florian and Ignacio, I can start with you two. You guys just want to turn towards me and face me, like right next to each other? Yeah, right here. Perfect.
Erky. Got Erwin getting on the horse. What's your name of your horse, Erwin?
Nifty.
Nifty. Erwin wave. Here comes Barbara.
This is Jordan. Jordan's quirk is that his stride is not quite the same as the others. So you'll find him doing a little tiny jog periodically.
Just stay wide of the ears.
Usually it makes the gals like that.
Strips are bothering you?
A little bit long, are you reaching for him?
Uh-oh.
A little bit? You just take, I'll let him take this off. You think an inch or two?
Pretty good.
Do you think an inch or two?
Erwin, I got to charge this. My battery's all the way down. I didn't realize that. Here's the cattle herd.
Yep.
Whoop! Hold still. Here's the end. We got them all by the truck.
Yeah, but how about that half?
We're missing a few. They're very vocal. Let's go this way. Whoop, there's a few we missed.
Hey, give me that thing. I'll take you a picture. How do I do it?
You just, it's on.
Come up a little bit. Come on, you idiot. This one thinks he's idiot.
Hi! Here we are at the cattle ranch.
Pull away. You look great on the horse, Sharon.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Woo, come on.
Now, come on in with the cattle. No, you stay here.
Look, here we are. Here we are. Woo! I'll do a circle. Do a circle.
can't see. Oh, there you go. Good work. What do I do? Press this button, red?